Hello, my name is Evan Costa. I'm here to tell you some jokes. How do you stop a bull from charging? You cancel its credit card. What's the difference between a man's wallet before and after having kids? One has money, the other has pictures. What rock group has 4 men that can't sing? Mount Rushmore.
Hi, I'm Jenna, and I'm going to be telling some jokes today. What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. What do you call a fly with no wings? A walk. And how does a hurricane see with one eye?
Hi, I'm Lucy Bensel, and I have some jokes for you today. First off, have you ever wondered why you never see rhinos hiding in trees? It's because they're really good at it. I really hate playing any type of game in a zoo. Whenever I do so, everyone is just a bunch of lying cheetahs. A bear walks into a restaurant and says, "I would like a BLT. "Why the big paws?" asked the waiter. "I don't know," said the bear, lifting them up. "I was born with them."
Hi, I'm Samantha. My parents were really mad that I had no sense of direction, so I packed my bags and write. What do you call somebody with no body and no nose? Nobody knows. I was going to tell a joke about time traveling, but you guys didn't like it.
Hi, I'm Leanne, and I have some jokes for you. Did you hear about the guy who invented the knock-knock jokes? He won the Nobel Prize. Why do we tell actors to break a leg? Because every play has a cast. Why is a football stadium always cold? It has a lot of fans.
Hi, I'm Ramona, and I have a few jokes for you today. What do you call your chess partner from Prague? Your checkmate. What do you call a sad cup of coffee? Depresso. Did you know that the first French fries weren't cooked in France? That's right, they were cooked in Greece.
Hi, my name's Bridget, and I'll be telling some jokes today. Why did the bicycle fall over? Because it was too tired. What country's capital grows the fastest? Ireland. Every day it's Dublin. I had a neck brace fitted years ago, and I've never looked back since.
Hello, I'm John Henry, and today I have some jokes compiled into the form of a short story. Alright, so here's the first one. 2 file folders walked into a bar. The first file folder asked the second file folder, "What did the buffalo say when his son left home?" "Bison." Alright, so then after that, an awkward silence ensued. After a few moments, the second file folder spoke. "Give me a minute. I think I'm forgetting something." After another minute, it gave a quick chuckle. "Sorry, it was just that your joke is so bad I forgot to laugh." And the final one. After another minute, the first file folder spoke. "What do you get when you combine a joke and a rhetorical question?" "What?" asked the second file folder. No, that's not the right answer, said the first file folder. It's silence. It's no answer.
Hi, my name is Jonathan, and I have some jokes for you guys. A blind guy walks into a bar. He then yells, "Ow, that hurt!" There are 10 kinds of people in this world. People who understand binary and people who don't. A man proposes in a gym, and she says no. Well, I guess that didn't work out.